In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Monzo account. So let's get started. First, navigate to payments in the bottom right corner. And then on the top, you want to click on pay. Here you will have two options. You can either pay by a bank transfer or you can pay anyone with a link. So first, let's click on pay by bank transfer. Here you're going to see all of your personal details. And here is going to ask you how much money you would like to send. So in this case, I'm just going to type in £10 and then I'm going to hit next. It's going to ask you for your card's 4-digit PIN to confirm your payment. Now, the second option is to pay anyone with a link. So let's click on pay anyone with a link. Once again, it's going to ask you how much you would like to send, and you can also type in a message or a reference number. Once again, it's going to ask you for your card's 4-digit PIN to confirm your payments, and once you do, you will be able to share your payment link with anybody. And this is how you send money from your Monzo account. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.